If you're looking for a delicious and affordable meal, you might want to try this tasty and flavorful 2-bean meal. Hello, I want to say welcome to our health and wellness family. Today I'm going to make a very affordable meal that's high in protein, high in fiber, with lots of vitamins and minerals. So let's get started. This meal is not only yummy, it has lots of protein, lots of fiber, lots of vitamin C, lots of potassium, lots of magnesium, and much more. It is super healthy and it's so quick and easy to make. We're gonna start by cutting up a piece of green bell pepper into smaller pieces. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C, which is needed for collagen synthesis and overall immunity. Put the small pieces in the bowl. Next, we're going to cut up a piece of red bell pepper into smaller pieces. Red bell peppers are also rich in the antioxidants beta-carotene and lycopene, which is great for overall health, and it's also a good source of fiber. Add the red bell pepper pieces to the bowl. We're also going to cut up some scallions into smaller pieces. Scallions are also a good source of vitamin K, which is needed for bone health. And they are also a good source of prebiotic fiber, which helps to promote gut health. Add the scallions to the bowl. Next, we're going to cut up a piece of red onion into smaller pieces. Onions have anti-inflammatory benefits, and it also has the antioxidant quercetin, which helps to protect the cells in the body. Put the onion pieces in the bowl. Next, we're going to add some cherry tomatoes, but you can use whatever tomato you have. Cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces. Tomatoes have the antioxidants lycopene and beta-carotene. Tomatoes have lots of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Now for the star of this meal, Great Northern beans. We're also going to use 1 can of garbanzo beans. Add about 4 tablespoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil to the pot. Next, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil. Add all the veggies to the pot. We're going to saute the veggies for 3 to 5 minutes. I already added my 21 seasoning salute off camera. Add 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Add some garlic powder. Please note you can use whatever seasoning you like. Add a dash of basil seasoning. Add a dash of oregano seasoning. Add a generous amount of cumin seasoning. Add a dash of red bell pepper flakes to the pot. This is optional. Add a dash of chili powder. You could also add a dash of smoked paprika if you want a smoky flavor. Stir to combine everything evenly. Add some iodized sea salt. Add a pinch of Celtic salt. It has 84 minerals. This is optional. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This has lots of trace minerals. Add a generous amount of black pepper. Add 2 cans of Great Northern beans to the pot. Great Northern beans have a great source of protein, fiber, several of the B vitamins, and also potassium, magnesium, and also iron. Add some water to the pot. Next, add 1 can of garbanzo beans, which is already washed and drained. Next, we're gonna add 1 low sodium vegan bouillon cube. Stir to combine everything evenly. For a smaller serving size and to make this meal super affordable, around $3, you could use 1 can of Great Northern beans and half can of garbanzo beans. Let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes to get a nice creamy consistency. Mash some of the beans on the side of the pot so you get a nice thick gravy. This is optional. You can add a little bit of ketchup. Look at this delicious, healthy, and tasty meal. This is optional, but just before I eat these beans, I normally like to take some digestive enzymes or hydrochloric acid or organic apple cider vinegar to help to digest these beans. Pour this delicious meal in a bowl to enjoy. So rich and bursting with flavor. Yummy. I like to eat this with some quinoa or some naan garlic wrap. More healthy recipes like these to help you improve your health and to support this channel, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.